Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Moneague. Moneague is a small town in the parish of St Ann. Now this is the actual town we're driving through. It's very small, but Moneague is on the main road from Ocherios to Kingston, or when you leave Kingston, you pass through Spanish Town. This is the old road now, not the highway. You pass through Spanish Town, then you come to Bogwalk, then Linstead, then Ewaton, and then as you go over Mount Russell, you come to Moneague. Very small country town. But Moneague has two big, they have an army base, which is probably helps to support the town, and they also have the Moneague Teachers College, or I think they changed the name recently. It's now, they do more than the teaching degrees. They're like a full university. So those two entities, you should say, keep the town, although they are the more popular places in the town. But for the large part, Moneague is a quiet country town. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And as we drive out of Moneague, we're going to be going back onto the main road. We're going to pass the army base, and then we head towards Ocherios on the old road, not the highway now. Alright, so coming up on the right is the Teachers College. But as we said earlier, it's a full university. I think they still use the name Moneague Teachers College though. There it is on the hill up there. Oh, actually, they've changed the name now. It's the Moneague College. It used to be the Teachers College, but it's now the Moneague College because they offer a full slate of programs, not just teaching, but other degrees. Okay, if we turn left here now, we would head to Claremont and head up towards Brownstown, but we're going back on the main road. And you notice how many trees, and this is in this area. It's a real nice country area. I was just thinking about what's happening out by Miami Bay with the Czech development and the protests about it's going to destroy the environment. Okay, so if we turn right here now, we'd head towards Spanish Town. Oh, well, we're going to go back, drive around the town and show you the more of the town. So this is the main road now. And on the left, you're going to see a lot of housing developments because it's a very large army base that's out there. It's the home of one of the Jamaica regiments, and they even have an airfield over there. That's how large it is. We're going to see if we can fly the drone over there one day. I'm not sure. I know we can't fly our drone over airports. It's a restricted area. Not sure. Well, we know why. It's an airport, so drones can crash into planes. But I've noticed other people fly drones in some of these areas. Perhaps they have a different kind of drone. But our drone won't take off in a restricted area. Alright, so this is like the suburbs part of Moneague, where you find a lot of the housing developments. And then now we're going to turn and go back through the town, head towards the... Okay. So this is still Moneague. Alright, so this is one of the gas stations here in Moneague, and then we're going to head back into the town center. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the tour. We're going to drive back through the town, and then we'll come back out to the main road, head towards Ocherios. Alright guys, have a good day.